Everyone, welcome back to our Very Short Tech Tips. Today we are going to be doing a seek and destroy, or a search and destroy, however you want to call it. We're going to be using our scanner from our arm. I know a lot of you guys have the scanners laying around and you always are wondering, what can I use this for? What's something that this will actually speed up my process? And seek and destroy on surfaces. So we can do surfaces, and we can do the surfaces on the outside. It works really good on profiles. I'll show you an example here of what we can do. So I'm just going to go in here and create a plan real quick. I'm going to make a plan and I'm going to do a surface grid right here. Settings. Okay, so I'll just click on here. It put a nice little grid. I'm going to press done. And then what I can do is I can put one on the side. It might not work that great because I'm glued on the table. We can try and put one on here. Okay. So then all we're going to do is we're going to go over here and press play. And I have my settings so it picks all the points at once. So I'm going to grab my arm. My scanner is on. All I'm going to do is I just drag it right across better. And it's done, and I come over here. Drag it right across that edge. If it misses something, you just kind of, okay, so we're missing one right there. Just sweep it across there, and that's it. It's pretty nice, and it's really quick. You don't touch the part, you don't scratch it. It works really nice on a machine surfaces, molds, and stuff like that. Stuff you don't want to scratch. If you're checking something that's finished, if you're checking something that has a coating, it's a pretty good technique of checking that stuff without doing any damage. If you have any questions, comments, feel free to reach out. Have a good one.